Welcome back to Raccoon Lodge. So, I don't have a water spigot near my house, and my dogs have so generously dug up my my water line over there. I dug this trench by hand because my fence, I can't get my tractor anywhere near my house, not that close at least. So I dug that trench. These dogs, actually. There's Bear, Marshmallow. Frog. Yeah. Trench. Water line. So, I'm going to put a spigot up there. Up there. Go gather some pipe and whatnots and see if we can't install a spigot. I am not a plumber by any stretch of the imagination, but I know how to make PVC stick together. Even done a little bit of work with PEX, redoing my shower in my bathroom. So I'm gonna go round up some stuff and we'll see if we can't make this work. Be back in a minute. It's a lot later in the day now. Had to run to Napa out in Taubleton and grab some piddles and pieces. Didn't have enough stuff laying around to make it work, but we've already got it teed in, run over, and I'm just gonna put a spigot right there, and at a later date, if I feel like running it up, I'll run it up. But today, I just want it out of the ground, over by the porch.
know this seems kind of redundant with the valve here and a spigot here, but this spigot's not going to live here forever. This is just temporary. So this will come in handy. So I can turn this off, pull the spigot out, and then run the plumbing all the way up. Yep. Good stuff. Alright, the GoPro overheated and shut down, but as you can see down there, zoom it all, no, I have to do editing, whatever. We have a spigot now. I got everything buried, there's no leaks. It's wet because I tried to soak it down to help pack it in, and then I just started getting taller and taller from the mud that was sticking to the bottom of my feet. But it's done. It has a spigot now. It's closer to the house. Should make life a whole lot better. Kind of short. That's all I wanted to do today. Y'all be good. Have a blessed day. Bye.